Hey guys, what is up? Happy Banjo Dude here, back with another lesson by Caamp. An instant classic, Vagabond. Be sure to click on the link to my website. Get the tab so you can follow along. We got the capo 4th fret. Top string is tuned down to G flat. That way it won't clash if you accidentally hit it. And we're going to be using a blah 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 for the beginning. And then you're going to grab a guitar pick and strum along. So just hide it up here behind the capo like a ninja, little banjo ninja. I'll demo everything slow, and then along with the song, here we go, Vagabond.
Miles an hour in the fast lane, 100 miles an hour in my head. Vagabond dreaming takes me through the night, sipping whiskey by the river, living out of sight. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane, 100 miles an hour toward the light. See the curve in that river's bed. Now look at you when I see my friend. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane, 100 miles an hour to the end.
Alright guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Click the link, get the tab so you can follow along. I've been giving a lot of Skype lessons on how to increase speed, so if you want some tips on how to play up to speed with that song, go ahead and book a Skype lesson, and be sure to check out the new Music Theory Magic ebook if you haven't already, and I'll be back soon with a new lesson, so I'll see you then.